Hello my dear VLSI aspirants. Welcome to Deep Silicon VLSI YouTube channel. Let's have another design challenge. This is the design and they are expecting the simplified output expression F. Okay, there are many logic gates and we want to find out the simplified output expression. Let's start. Guys, here what is this? NOR gate. Therefore we get a plus b whole bar. Again guys, if you go in a regular procedure, a plus b whole bar into a, again here a plus b whole bar into b, like that, it may take more time. If you want to optimize the time, then you need to be very clear on the Boolean algebra and simplified things. Now here a plus b whole bar, how you can rewrite? Applying the De Morgan's theorem, a bar into b bar na. Now this is a, this is a bar into b bar. Now guys, this AND gate output, a into a bar into b bar, a into a bar 0, 0 into b bar 0, you'll get 0 here. This is 0. Similarly here, a bar into b bar into b, b into b bar 0, this will be 0, right? So now here this is 0, even this also 0. Now guys, this is C. Now it is 0 plus 0 plus C whole bar. What is that? C bar. This is C bar. Anyway, this is 0, this one, and this is C bar. Again here C bar, C. Now guys, here 0 plus 0 plus C bar whole bar, C. Again here C plus C bar whole bar, C plus C bar 1 whole bar 0, it is 0 now. And again here finally guys, it is 0 and it is C. Now this is a NOR gate, so C plus 0 whole bar. Now what it is guys? It is C bar. Hence guys, for this design, the output expression is F is equals to C bar. Guys, suppose if they ask you to implement, write down in terms of minterms. Yes, you got the Boolean function as C bar. But they are asking you to express the Boolean function in terms of minterms. Then how you can express? Guys, here it is C bar. Actually, the design contains 3 variables. This is a minimized expression and you want to build in terms of canonical SOP, standard SOP. Hence, here you can rewrite it as y is equals to a plus a bar into b plus b bar into C bar. This one guys, see, if the Boolean function is C bar only, if they are expecting the answer in terms of minterms, sigma m of like that, then you need to consider that into canonical form. Okay, now guys, here it is a b C bar, a b bar C bar, a bar b C bar, a bar b bar C bar. Now if you write down in terms of minterms, then guys it is 0 0 0 0. Again 0 1 1 4, it is 0 1 0 means 2. This one 4 and this 1 1 0 6. This one. So here the given design like optimized Boolean function is C bar. In terms of minterms, it is sigma m of 0, 2, 4, 6. This is the one. If you are first time visiting our YouTube channel, Deep Silicon VLSI, please subscribe and extend your support. Sure, we will give you the best of the best. Again and again and again we are telling you, this channel is exclusively designed for VLSI job aspirants. That's it. Okay, without any reservations, we are clearly telling you. See you in the next video. This is Shivram signing off. Jai Hind.